punctuated by oohs and ahs, you'll start to see showers of light radiating from various levels. You can hear it, you can feel it, a certain wow factor resonating among the audience. And if ever there was a time that we would say, you ain't seen nothing yet, this has got to be it, Deb.
It certainly will. It will get better. In the meantime, now the spirit of the stadium is soaring high around the National Stadium. Just like the fireworks that are exploding above us all around. No doubt around the vicinity, if you happen to be around in your cars, you might see that in the skyline, the fireworks. The climax always will.
One to be enjoyed and experienced. The magic not in the spectacle alone,